birds encompassing an extensive and diverse class known as aves. Are unique and captivating creatures that distinguish themselves from other animals in several key ways. What sets birds apart is their remarkable adaptation for flight, with lightweight, hollow bones and feathers. They have achieved the extraordinary ability to take to the skies. Birds display an astonishing range of sizes, shapes, and colors, reflecting their evolution to thrive in various environments. From the Arctic tundra to tropical rainforests, they are known for their melodic songs, intricate nests, and intricate courtship rituals. Furthermore, birds play crucial ecological roles as pollinators, seed dispersers, and predators. Contributing to the balance of ecosystems worldwide. Their exceptional combination of aerial prowess, vocal artistry, and ecological significance makes birds a captivating and distinctive group in the animal kingdom, symbolizing the beauty and wonder of the natural world. Like, subscribe.